Okay, hey y'all, so I'm starting off with a fresh face, freshly moisturized. I don't know why I said that, I meant freshly washed, but I'm about to go in with Maybelline's Baby Skin Pore Eraser. This is supposed to just erase your pores, okay? I'm just taking a small amount and putting it in places where I feel like my pores are extra big, you know, not getting too crazy. Now I'm taking in some powder that I got from the Chinese store. I will put the name of that below. Do not know what it is at the moment, but I saw a girl doing this where you put this on before your foundation, and I'm pretty sure this helps with creasing. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in 355, which I feel like works amazing. It blends in my skin so perfectly. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight with this Pro Concealer. Don't remember who that's by. Oh, LA Girl. And I use color Fawn. So you just go and make like some triangles underneath your eyes, on your nose, and your forehead. Some people go on their chin. I don't really like to insinuate this area, so I do not. And then you just blend all of that in. Blend it in real good, especially if you're using a color that's a little bit lighter than you. You want to make sure you really get that in good. But LA Girl is amazing and it blends very nicely. Okay, so now I'm going in with my contour stick from Black Excellence, which is a Black-owned business, actually. I'm like 98.9% sure. And I was having some trouble like getting my camera to focus, and I eventually just said, forget it. But basically, I usually go in with a 3 when I contour, but because I'm doing a natural beat, I didn't want to do all that like heavy contouring. So I just do like my cheeks, for my cheekbones, and then my nose. I don't want to do too much contouring with my nose. I really only do this because everything's like so one color, and I just don't want my nose to go missing in such a flat area. And of course, as always, you just blend, blend, blend. Okay, so now I'm just prepping my eyebrows because I'm about to conceal them. I have this NYX Conceal palette that is definitely like gone. But I'm going to try to grab in the cracks and crevices to get something out here because I still can. I need to just go buy another one, to be honest. But until then, I'm going to just outline my eyebrows with this concealer. And I do this at the bottom of my eyebrows, and I do it at the ends on the top of my eyebrows, not all the way in the front. And I do this mainly because I like my eyebrows to look very natural still, and doing all that just makes them too, I don't know, I just don't like it. But basically, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna blend, 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 blend until I can't blend no more. Okay, now, so I'm gonna take some like eyeshadow and a brown color and just fill in the ends of my eyebrow. I do not fill in the entire eyebrow of my eyebrow. I feel like I already have eyebrows there. I don't need to do all that. And it really defeats the purpose if we're going for a natural look. And okay, so now I'm gonna be going in with this, I don't even remember what this was, a contour palette, I think, from Ulta. And these two brown colors to just give my face a little bit more dimension by adding a little bit more brown. And oh my god, this thing is moving fast. Okay, so now I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using both of these browns right here. I'm going to use the first brown on my eyelid, you know, just on the top, and the second one on the bottom of my waterline. That's where I'm going to put that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my eyeliner and just align my waterline. Okay, next I'm gonna use my mascara from somebody that I'm gonna put in the description box because I do not remember, nor did I show it. So great job, me. But we just getting up in there. We just, you know, we getting on the back side, we get on the front side, the bottom side, you know. I like to really get in there. And then I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to go a little bit more over it just because I want my eyelashes to look very fleeky. I want them to be very voluminous. Okay, then I'm going to take this other liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to just bring out my beauty marks that I already have because I really hate when makeup covers them up because I just love them so much. So I just go and just dot them just to bring them out. Ain't nothing fake, they already there. It's okay. That's what makeup's for, is to insinuate your beauty. Okay, so now we moving on again. We're moving on to the lips now. I'm going to outline my lips in this brown, in this brown lip liner. Then I'm going to take my two favorite red lipsticks, one from M.A.C that I have to figure out the name, and one from Tarte that I'm using now. It's called Babe, I believe. And I'm just using this one as my base. And then I'm going to take the one from M.A.C and put that in the middle of my lips to kind of create this like ombre kind of effect. And honestly, when I first did this, I did not do this with the intent to make it ombre. I was doing it because I wanted the red on the bottom to be a little bit brighter, and I didn't want the one on the top to be so bright, and it just, you know, it just became what it became. And then I'm going to take some blush from M.A.C that I have, an Ambering Rose, just to add my face a little bit more warmth. Jesus. Okay, then I'm going to take this highlighter I have from Colourpop in a color that I'm going to have to also remind you of, with this brush that I actually got out of a paintbrush set that I had because I didn't have a highlighter brush, which means you guys can fake it till you make it if you gotta do what you gotta do. And I just highlight my cheekbones, my eyebrows, underneath my eyebrows, and on my nose. Okay, and finally we're going to end with me using this brow gel from M.A.C. I don't really know why because it ain't nothing in here, but I guess I call myself doing something. So if you were to go cop, this would help keep your brows in place all day. And after that, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray so that we can at least, you know, try to save the white teeth.